मैंने अब शांत रहना. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
hi.
Okay. Hi Shubham. So uh, this is our stand-up three. So I'm just going to brief directly on what we are going to cover in this sprint. So this will be regarding the user stories, uh, which we have decided based on our categories. Earlier we have mentioned the categories which were identified and divided into 10 subcategories, which were based on a survey which we conducted, and based on that the priorities were also given to the user stories. So according to that, we have finalized the user stories for our four categories. So the first would be so I'll just brief the categories first, which is my dashboard, career hub, student support, and the fourth one is library. So under these categories, we have defined uh, our epics, and under epics, we have defined the respective user stories. So I'll just give an example of what we have covered. The screenshot of this will be uploaded on my teams for later reference. Uh, so my dashboard we have covered in two epics. The first epic cars in a way, as a user I want a more reliable and user authentication gateway system so that my personal information is secure and safe. Now this is in a way a generalized epic story which will be broken down into the specific user stories. Now this has been done in accordance with different features which are mentioned as. So as a user, I want to receive an OTP to register my phone or email ID so that my account activities is secured and is under my observation. So this is our first user story under the category of my dashboard epic. The second one under the same epic would be, as a student, I want an additional option for single logout from all devices so that my personal information is more secure and safe. The third user story under the same category would be, as a user, I want unique device identification features in the app like fingerprint, biometric, and face recognition systems so that it's more convenient and secure for my use. The next user story would be, as a user, I want to have a password recovery option with the use of with a mandatory unique caption so that I can easily re-log in into my account in case of forgetting my password. So these are the user stories which are covered under the epic of having a reliable and user authentication gateway system in my dashboard. So the second epic under the same category of my dashboard is defined as a user I want to have user friendly and convenient app interface so that I can modify and manage information as per my requirements. Now under this, our user story would be, as a user, I want to have a one-time password for my account for a longer period of time so that I don't need to regenerate a new password frequently, uh, so that I don't have to regenerate a new password frequently. The next user story, which has been covered under the same category. Just a second, my laptop is hanged. Okay, yeah, fine. So as an admin, I want to have direct access in the app to fix bugs or error in the app so that I can have access to my information in a clear and concise way. The third would be, as a user, I want a uniform interface in the app to access my information so that it will eliminate unnecessary confusion for finding common information in different interfaces. Now the same way we have covered for career hub. The epic is, as a user, I want more career and job related information and integration options in the app, so that I can understand the requirement and profile in more detail, and develop my professional network accordingly. So the user stories under this category are subdivided as was done for the other category of my dashboard. uh, so again, this category covers two epics as well. The second epic would be, as a student, I want to get direct access and update to all the career hub events and activities into my dashboard, so that I do not miss any opportunity to attend those events. So we have around 5 user stories under this, and then we have student support. Again, in this we have two epics under which we have approximately 5 to 8 user stories, and the last one would be the library category, which has an epic, which is, as a user, I want a more flexible and user friendly library operation system through the app, so that I can save my time and efforts in in accessing the features of library. So what we have done in until this sprint is cover 4 categories, uh, clearly identify the epics which would fall under each category. Then we have identified the user stories which would fall under those epics, and this would be the same operation which we would be doing for our next sprint as well. And instead of doing our next sprint on as scheduled on Sunday, we would be doing it on Wednesday. So we cover the user stories soon, and then we go ahead with giving them story points through planning poker, and prioritizing them with the help of Moscow, the Moscow method. So this is it for this particular sprint stand up, and we would be uploading this video on Canvas. So I guess we all are aware that for next sprint we have to cover our remaining categories and upload
Yeah.
it by Wednesday. Is it fine,
Yeah.
guys?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I guess this is it for today. I just want to notify one thing, that our one member Abhay Tyagi, he has not been feeling well for the past 2 days. So in a way, we excuse him from this particular stand up, but I am sure that he will be available for the next sprint. So thank you guys for attending this sprint as well. We'll have a meetup on Wednesday and discuss on our remaining categories.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Karthik.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Good
Good night.
night.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Bye bye.